But you can't get enough of it.
Yeah, that was one thing that you did say, but I also make sure that you were saying.
So I said put on your dancing shoes. I ain't taking no or an excuse. Are you ready? Player number 2. Player 1 got bad moves for you. Best bring your A game, bring your noise, cause I'm poised to search and destroy you and me, one on one. Come on girl, bring it, let's have some fun. But you're doing the same, 2-step to dubstep. Take off your heels and show me what you got. Oh my god, now look at this girl go, man, I swear she's wearing a halo. She's just kicking out good energy. True, the best things in life, they come free. Rock step, back flip, little twist, jump ship, hang clap, mic check, bring it down a little bit. Bass, bass, treble, treble, bass, bass, treble, alto, soprano, and here we go with the baritone. Oh no, oh oh, here we go with the baritone. Oh oh no, they say you're a wild child, so let me see you freestyle. They say you're a mad cat, well I think I'll be the judge of that. So let me see you tyrannosaur across this dance floor. Let me see you firing lasers, now be on your best behavior. Let me see your crouching tiger, let me see your firefighter. Let me see you go to work, let me see you go berserk. You're doing the same, 2-step to dubstep. Take off your heels and show me what you got. Oh, excuse me girl, would you like to dance? It's not a come on or an advance. You look nice but you look bored. Can we hit the dance floor? Or you could stand there sipping your drink, wondering what other people think. You can stand there all night, shifting your weight from side to side. Or you can come and dance with me and let your hair down, be carefree. Take my hand and don't let go, cause it takes two to tango. Cause it takes two to tango. So let me see your mango, let me see you do fandango. Hey, let me see you rumba, salsa, hip hop, conga. Let me see you mash up the place, let me see your bass face. Let me see you freeze. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get back in the room, get back in the room. Let's assume now we can resume. Let's go back to basics. Can you do the matrix? So I said put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes and dance with me. Oh, put on your dancing